Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mel's Talking Hands. So in today's video, I have got two Van Cleef Arpels unboxings to show you and also a new watch for hubby. So this is sort of what we got each other for Love Month, but it's a little bit delayed because we had a little hiccup with hubby's present, but it's arrived, so we are doing the unboxing today. So of course, my special guest, hubby, is on my channel today, so...
Hey everyone.
Hi hubby.
Good to see you.
So let's get right into it, and what should we start off with first?
How about we start off with me giving you the stuff? How's that sound?
What about me, then you, then me?
All right.
Okay.
You can go first. Ladies first.
Okay, all right. Okay, so I should say all these presents, like, we chose together. So hubby came to Van Cleef & Arpels with me. This was actually probably a couple of months ago, but I always like to commemorate a special occasion with jewelry so that I remember it. So this, I guess, is officially for, Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah, it seemed like a long time ago though.
I know, we're already in March. Okay, so let me unbox the first VCA item.
And this is for you, for Love Month.
Thank you. Well, we do know what it is, but let's... You want to...
No, you open, I'll wreck it.
Oh no, it's in a double knot.
Do you need some help?
No, it's okay. I have got nails, so let me undo it. So this is just something very small, but very sweet. And let me show you what it is. You can tell from the size of the box, it's something little. So let me show you. It is, dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's so cute. Let me just bring it closer to the camera. Okay. So this is the Sweet Alhambra necklace in the mother of pearl. And this, I had never really considered it, but I'm getting really into necklaces and layering them. So this is a perfect layering piece. I will try it on with something layered, but I just think that with something else looks really, really nice. And also this is a little piece I do want to give to Miss S when she is older. So this is just a very, very sweet piece. So that is the first item. And let me actually show you what else my fantastic Van Cleef & Arpels sales associate gave me. Hi Viv, you're watching. So the Chadstone Van Cleef & Arpels team, highly recommend. So of course I did get the little travel pouch. She actually gave me two, which is really nice of her. That's always nice. And also she gave me this, which is really, really nice of her. I love it when they give little gifts. And this is just a Van Cleef & Arpels stationery sort of set. Yes, so it's got, let's have a look. It's got envelopes with the flowers, and then I think they've got, you can write little notes. So this is going to be perfect because I always like to write hubby some notes. We've actually got a shoebox of notes collected from us being together like almost 24 years. Anyway, we like writing each other notes. So
You can write me a love letter in this one.
Okay. So that's really nice. I thought that was really nice of her to give me that. And also she gave me, let me just move this to the side. Leave this here for a bit of eye candy. She also gave me the new coffee table book. You guys know I'm a huge fan of these books. It's hardcover. You might have to help me rip this open.
All right, there you go.
Thanks, hubby. So in here, let's move this across, is their new Flore book, and it's got, oh, how beautiful, all the different flowers. I love these books. So as you can see, just all drawings and illustrations and just a bit of information. So that is lovely. And then she also gave me this, which is just some cards, which is always nice. Let me have a look. Yes, so some cards. This would actually look really nice framed, if you could kind of imagine that. That would look cool, wouldn't it?
Reminds me of Ken Doan. Do you remember Ken Doan?
Yeah, it's actually in collaboration with an artist. I'm not sure
Oh.
who he is. Alexandre Benjamin Neve.
Neve. Mm-hmm.
So that was really nice. And of course, you do get, your certificate of authenticity. And let me share with you the price. So the price of the Sweet Alhambra in the Mother of Pearl is 2,160 Australian dollars. So one of the more affordable pieces, still expensive, from Van Cleef & Arpels, but I think this is a beautiful piece. If you are thinking of just starting your collection and you just want to start off small, this is a beautiful necklace just as a layering piece. So that's the first item.
That means it's my shot now, right?
Yeah, it's your shot.
Okay.
So let me move this. So this finally arrived. Hubby knows what it is because, anyway, he knows. So
I love it.
you can, you really love it. You can unbox it. I wrapped it with a ribbon, just,
It's still fun though.
so we know it's a watch.
All right, guys, so it's another watch. As you know, a little while ago, I got my first Rolex Oyster Perpetual. And now this is something else to add to the collection.
Yep.
It's a little bit different, but at the same time, I think it looks really cool. Anyway, let's have a look. All right, so as you guys can see, it's from the brand Tudor. And you can probably guess what the watch is for all you watch fans out there. Let's open it up. All right.
The box is really nice too.
Yeah, this box is nice. All right, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ta-da! All right, so this is the Tudor Black Bay 58 with the blue face. So we chose this one because
You like blue faces.
I like blue faces, and the great thing about this one is that, can you guys see that?
Do you want me to hold it up while you
Oh
talk?
yeah, that'll be good. This one is a Black Bay 58, so it's like a homage piece to the first Tudor dive watch which came out in the 50s. But the reason I like this one more is because, I think you got the wrong way around.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops.
I like this one more because it's the face, which is this part, is a little bit smaller than just the Tudor Black Bay. So it wears a little bit smaller. My wrists aren't massive, so this one suits me quite well.
And this is 39, right?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
39 mils. But more importantly is the fact that if you look from the side, the other Black Bay, I don't know how to angle this. The other Black Bay is really thick here, so it sits really high on me. But this one's a bit more of a slim profile, so I prefer that because I actually like small watches. I know the big craze is, for big watches,
Big face watches.
but I actually like small face watches, so I think it looks cool. And obviously, I have a thing for blue dials, like most people do, but I think that looks really cool.
This looks very similar to, like, Tudor is sort of like the little brother of Rolex, would you say?
Yeah, they're separate companies, but they're like cousins. But
Cousins, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's like the younger sibling of Rolex. It's a bit more daring. They can do a few things that Rolex can't. But I mean, this is a kind of like a fashion dive watch. It's not a real dive watch because it doesn't have the guards here. But I mean, it's a real everyday piece, and I think it's really cool. And I like the sound of the bezel here. Can you hear that, guys? That sounds really cool. All right, should I try it on?
Yeah, definitely try it on.
All right.
So I've already taken a couple of links out, and just to let you know, it does come obviously with the authenticity card, the care booklet, and all of that. Now, the reason why it took a little bit longer, this watch is very sought after. So it's really, I think there's a waiting list in stores, but I actually got it from Farfetch. And so I used some of my credit. I did need to pay a little bit over retail, but not too much. And that's what it looks like on Hubby. It looks really good on you.
Sorry, guys, it's a bit of reflection, but I think you get the idea. It doesn't look too big. It doesn't look too small. Kind of suits me just nicely.
Yeah, I really like it on you. It's good to have different things in your collection. So as I said, yeah, I got it from Farfetch. So when they initially sent it, it was actually in a different box. And I believe it was supposed to be this box. So then we had to wait and, do a bit of to and fro. Anyway, we got everything. It was perfect, great customer service, because with Farfetch, I am actually a very frequent shopper on there besides working with them. But I've shopped on there for years and years. So the personal shopper could help me with that.
Yeah,
So
that was good.
That was really
That was
good.
really
And then
good.
they could source this, and it was only a little bit. I think it retails for around 5,000 Australian dollars. I think I paid maybe 800-ish more. So that's not too bad considering they're quite hard to get. Plus, I could use up a little bit of my voucher, but I still had to pay out of pocket. But the thing is that I know that hubby loves it and I could get it for him. And yeah, I think it looks really good on you.
Why, thank you. And I love this watch too.
Yes.
Okay, how about we throw it back to you? All right, let's put this one away.
Let's put this away. And finally, the last piece I have to show you is also from Van Cleef & Arpels. This one I actually got before the sweet Alhambra necklace, but I had to order it in. So,
All right. And happy love month.
thank you. So this piece I have been eyeing for ages. I had to order it, so it was delayed, but I also wanted to wait for this video. And in here, I am so excited to reveal the beautiful Guilloché Alhambra 5 motif bracelet. Now, I remember trying this on a couple of years ago when it came out, and I was just so drawn to it. Can you see the technique? It kind of looks like sunbeams. So all this is like etched onto the gold. And this is a really age-old technique that Van Cleef Arpels Maison did. I believe 1910s or 20s, but yeah, it's a really old technique. And what I love about this one is because it's in all gold, they don't have any stones or anything, I could, if I wanted to, wear it all the time. I'd leave it permanently on with my stack. And yeah, I completely love the Guilloché. You guys know that I have the limited edition 2020 silver vintage pendant necklace, but in silver, not in silver, white gold, I should say. And so I really wanted to add this. I think it'll look beautiful. I'm going to get hubby to help me put it on. It's going to be too big. I haven't had this adjusted, so you'll have to put that on to, this part.
Oh, you went a bit narrower.
Yeah, because it's too big. So I just want to show everyone. So because I haven't adjusted it, I can clip it on. So there's actually one motif just dangling. Can you kind of see? So because my wrists are a little bit smaller, I haven't got it adjusted because I also do want to use this and connect it up and maybe do a necklace or something. But you can always go back and they can take links out. For my carnelian version, they did take a couple of links out from each section, so it fits beautifully. But I actually don't mind that, you've got a little motif dangling there like that. But look at the shine. It looks beautiful. Let me just show you guys. I just love how it gleams. Look at that luster. It's beautiful.
Nice.
I really love it. Hubby really loves the Guilloché collection.
Really nice.
And in this collection, it comes in the bracelet. There's versions of this with diamonds. It comes in earrings, necklaces as well. So a very popular collection, hence why I had to order it. And this one is more dearer than just the ones with the stone. So this bracelet came up to 7,950 Australian dollars. So there you have it. That is my other piece from Van Cleef. This one I have waited ages to unbox, but it's the perfect occasion to unbox it. And of course, I also got the travel pouch for the bracelet, and it comes with its authenticity card. And I love it that I've got this little sweet necklace. I forgot to tell you that this is in the yellow gold too. And then hubby, you've got your watch, which you love.
I sure do.
And that is it for this video. So if you guys liked this video and hubby coming on my channel and our hands only videos, don't forget to give this video
A thumbs up.
a thumbs up, and we will catch you next time in our next one. Bye
See you, bye.
guys.